How to make a good presentation. Improve presentation skills. How to present a presentation. Fear of speaking in front of others rates higher than fear of death, for a large part of our population. Mastering the art of feeling confident in front of others can give you a real sense of confidence in yourself and further your goals. In this video, you'll discover 10 powerful strategies that will help you to feel and look more confident when giving a speech or a presentation. 1. Your audience wants you to succeed. They are on your side and want what you have to give. Look at them as a group of friends that are supportive. 2. You must breathe. Take 4 to 5 deep breaths from the stomach before you start, and then make sure to keep breathing deeply. Those voice trembles come from your vocal cords being tightly constricted. Deep breaths will relax them, and you will sound more confident, even if you aren't. 3. Before you start, take 5 to 10 seconds to make eye contact with some of the people in your audience. This will allow you to really connect as a person, rather than it being a one-person performance. Choose several nice, friendly people in the audience to make contact with, and then begin. This pause also will heighten the attention from the rest of the audience. 4. Be prepared. The more prepared you are, the less fear you will have. Never read your speech, but always have notes or an outline. Your notes should be in 14 to 16 point type or larger, so you can glance down easily. Using highlighters for different points can be another easy way to give yourself a visual cue. 5. What's in it for them? This is what they are listening for. No matter how compelling the information or point of view you are sharing, you still need to phrase it so they can see why this benefits them, or what the cost to them could be for not seeing your viewpoint. As you read over your material, keep asking yourself the question, so what, and then inserting clear answers to that question. 6. Your first statement and your last are the most important. They are what will be remembered most. Craft those with care. Open with a statement that will get their attention. Close with a statement that will create an action, or leave them with a feeling. 7. Plan your talk by the key points. 1 point per 15 minutes is about the most that can be covered well. Know what your key points are, and then build the rest of the speech around these points. With examples or stories, create logical bridges from one point to the next, to make it easy to follow. 8. Tell them what you are gonna tell them, and then tell them what you told them. Keep it as simple as possible, and they will remember what you have said. 9. Audience participation relieves your stress and allows them to get involved. Whenever possible, have the audience do something during your talk. Ask a question and get a show of hands or input. Sharing with each other, completing a short test, or working on some activity pertinent to your topic are other ways. It keeps them involved, gives you a moment to regroup, and is more fun for them. 10. Stop on time, no matter what. And don't forget to have fun. Nothing is worse than a speaker who takes longer than the audience expected. You don't need to tell them everything you know. In fact, it is good to leave them wanting more. It is okay to formally end, and let people know you will stick around and answer questions, if that is practical.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,